Hey guys, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. If you haven't seen it, there is a contest going on called #GiftYourself. So we are partnering with Oracal for a great cash giveaway up to $2,500. So we are giving away $2,500, a $1,500, a $500, and then 5 $100 gift cards for the winners of this contest. So how to enter? Every time you buy 5 10-yard rolls of either Oracal 631, 651, or 851, your name is entered to win. So today I'm going to show you a cute little project using the 851, which is the latest line from Oracal. It is like a glittery shimmer permanent adhesive. It doesn't have that rough edge like some of the HTV glitter. It's a smooth but with that shimmery finish. So I absolutely love hosting parties throughout the holidays. We always have Thanksgiving at our house. What turned into a few years ago only supposed to be about 12 people ended up being a little over 30. So I love having place cards and making sure that everyone knows where to sit and kind of mixing up the group and making sure that we all get to know each other and have a good time. So I'm going to show you a unique way to have a place card without having to handwrite everything. So using the 851, I've already weeded it and I've masked it. And then I'm going to do it just on these charger plates, which is an awesome way to kind of just show off, like I said, everyone's name without having to get those cards. So you put it on just like the other Oracal 631, 651. You will have to adjust your cut settings just a little because it is a little bit thicker with that glitter on there. These charger plates are super cute with a little napkin next to it and really set your place settings. Of course, I did my name on this one, but this is one of the colors that they offer. It's like a little cream color with some gold shimmer in it, which really brings out the charger plate. And again, a really unique way to liven up your table and show off your crafting skills. So this is Oracal 851. So be sure today, every time you order 5 10-yard rolls of either Oracal 631, 651, or 851, we are going to enter your name in for the chance to win one of those great cash prizes. The contest goes from August 16th through September 24th. So be sure and order today and #GiftYourself. Thanks for watching.